That helps. Changes the pivot point. I haven't tied her up yet and actually put the car in there, but I'm working on the bridge, and I figured out how to fix the ends so it can't pull together. Problem was is it kept the platforms from flexing. And I got online and found a video crawler course at Paddleworth's RC Trail indoor course of a bridge. It's a similar design. It's a rope bridge, but the structure itself is fixed. And what they did was they supported the center so the ends can still flex, just for interest. So I added this center platform because I only had the two and it won't work. You have to have at least three. This could be longer, but the bridge already got 3 foot long now, platform to platform. But I had some old 1x made a frame, and I've got dowels going through. They go in about 2 inches both sides, so I can assemble it, and it's fairly secure. The real force is going to be whatever this weight is. Right now I'm trying to figure out how to suspend this. I was thinking about using chain stuff, and I had 2 pieces of rod that I don't know what I made these for. Anyway, I found them in the drawer, so I think I'm going to drill through the center of this and the hoop right here and go back to the other side. I think that'll work. But this is what I want to maintain. And then when you come to the center one, it starts to rotate and pulls the other platform down. Pretty cool. So it's a fixed bridge, but yet it's still like a rope bridge. I'm pretty stoked. I had just about given up till I came across that video. Okay, with the slider. Very convoluted path, but we got it working. Pretty cool. Not quite as flexible as the rope, but the rope was an issue with this because I needed to transport it, and untying the rope was a pain. And then go into the eye bolts with the center fixed. It really didn't want to move. A center rope maybe would work, allowing this center platform to swing, but the metal rods give some support to the A-frame. Anyway, I think we're done with this. Next time I'll stick with the simple rope bridge. It's quite a learning experience, but it's the slack in the rope that allows stuff to move. Anyway, let's see if I can get it here. Not really. And this all comes apart. Have some pins. Pull those. The A-frames slide out of the ends. There's a hole through this and through that. Once this is inserted, it captures it. Pull both sides off. And then the center section will unclip from the eye bolts. Pull the support. Breaks down pretty small. And now that it's done, I can't say that it was worth the effort. It wasn't what I anticipated when I started this. Bridge.